The Parrot and the Kind Villager. In a little village there lived a kind man named Ravi. He loved all the animals and birds. One sunny day, while Ravi was walking near the forest, he heard a soft squawk, squawk. It was a beautiful green parrot sitting on a tree branch. "Oh no," Ravi said. "Are you lost, little parrot?" The parrot tilted its head and said, "Squawk! Hungry! Hungry!" Ravi smiled and took out a sweet mango from his bag. He gently held it up to the parrot. The parrot happily pecked at the juicy fruit. "Yummy! Yummy!" the parrot chirped. Ravi decided to bring the parrot to his cozy little home. He made a nice perch for the parrot and gave it seeds and fruits every day. The parrot was so happy and sang, thank you, Ravi." Every morning, the parrot and Ravi would go for a walk around the village. The children loved to hear the parrot say, "Good morning, hello." One day, when Ravi was planting some flowers, he got very tired and sat down. The parrot noticed and flew to him, saying, "Ravi, rest, rest." Ravi laughed. "You are right, little parrot. I will rest now." The parrot stayed with Ravi, singing sweet songs and bringing him joy every day. They became best friends, and everyone in the village loved them. From then on, Ravi and the parrot were always together, sharing happiness and spreading smiles wherever they went. And every night, the parrot would softly say, "Good night, Ravi. Sweet dreams." And they both would sleep happy and peaceful.